I'm actually really excited because we finally got ourselves an air fryer. Many people have been asking, oh, don't you have an air fryer that you used to film that really nice fancy video? It got more than 100,000 views. Yes, but that's not my air fryer, that's my mom's. So today, we are going to actually unbox the Philips Premium Air Fryer. So it's an extra large air fryer with, you know, a whole series of different functionalities, and I want to test it out eventually, but today is an impression video of the air fryer. So let's get started. Now, one other thing before we actually open the box in question, a big thank you for everybody who has stayed on to the channel and subscribed to the channel. Without you, this project wouldn't have worked, and we are excited to continuously pump out more video. And we'll be looking to more local food scenes quite, you know, in the near future. And so if you do want to check those out, and if not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and supporting this channel. Thanks. Now onto the air fryer in question. Brendan, insert the Hallelujah chorus right now. So we've gotten the tray. I guess this is some form of grill tray. We've got a recipe book that's probably useless, but we'll find out that later on. And here's the piece de resistance, the air fryer. So let's do a very quick first impression. Very quickly you will see the nice gold finishes are actually very pristine looking. I'm actually liking the design aspect of it. It does feel very bougie. Now, bear in mind, this is the most premium model of air fryers that Philips currently has. It costs at retail, if I'm not mistaken, around 1,450, 1,500, around that price range. I got mine at around 1,280 bucks during a promotional sale, which you can get on Lazada, Shopee, that sort of stuff. Now, it features a few basic functions. Obviously, it has the LED touchscreen over here with an analog. That clicking sounds really nice. Now, design-wise, from the external point of view, you know, it has a retractable cord, which I think serves a good purpose and function. You wouldn't want a lot of space cluttering up, which I think is definitely a good thing. Let's look inside. Oh wow. So let's take this off. So, whee! The tray in question, we have a star-shaped bottom, which supposedly catches oil a bit better than traditional air fryers. We'll test that out. And inside here, I'm not sure if you can remove this. Oh, you can! So everything is removable, and there's this sliding track, which I think is really nice. You know, it does feel really premium in that sense. Now, regarding this tray over here, like I've mentioned, with this star-shaped design, Philips claims that this motion and this design aspect allows air to be sucked out from the environment instead of being blown into the environment. I think that's play of words, but we'll find out whether that's actually effective or not. I'm not an engineer. The feel of the handle feels good. Let me just put on this grill tray very quickly. Oh, quite easy actually. So you have a tray with perforated grills. It goes inside and voila. Now let's get into the actual testing of turning this baby on. Okay, so we've got it plugged in and we're gonna try and turn it on for the first time. Are you ready? Lights came out. Okay, so I think this is in the smart. Yep, this is a smart sensing function. So you can see there's frozen fries. Yep, there's frozen fries there. There's homemade fries. There's fish that I think is probably grilled, I guess. Chicken drumstick, or even a whole chicken. Now, if I click on the whole chicken, I can actually select how fat this chicken is. You know, if it's like Brandon, you can basically select that, I would assume. And it's starting. So I do feel air being sucked out, driving into the chamber. And if you look into how noisy this is, 72, 77 decibels. But it's still okay. It's not excessively loud or whatsoever, right? So noise, you can hear it, no big deal. Now let's just take it out. It slows down. I can feel the heat already. Ooh la la. And it continues back on. Now it's really important to have an air fryer that has an auto shut off button and has a memory function inbuilt. Generally speaking, when you use an air fryer, you don't want to take out an item, flip it around, and when you plug it back in, it just doesn't get back started to where it was last left off, right? So that's a very quick first impression of how the oven actually works. We're gonna try out a couple of things. So I'm gonna get some potatoes, we're gonna get some fries, we're gonna get some hash browns and sausages, and see how this bad boy flies on our first cook test. So I'm gonna put 180 degrees, and let's put 8 minutes first and see how that goes. And we'll be back in 8 minutes time. So it's been 8 minutes. Let's see whether it's done to my liking. No, it's not. I think it's a bit more time. So I'm gonna increase it back to the usual 12 minutes in totality of what I would normally do with my mom's oven. Air fryer, sorry. And let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check it out. Looks decent. Tray up. Very seamless. Not a lot of oil being sucked out, if you ask me. Some potato bits here and there, but other than that, nothing much that's special. Okay, let's take a look at the hash browns. Okay, so far, so good. Very even browning on all sides. In fact, ooh, let's see how crispy they are. Just so that you can hear this a bit more clearly. First cook impression, not bad. By the way, if you want to find out more about the brown stuff and whether that's good for your health, I made a full video on it. Go check it out. Okay, so first impressions of the Philips Premium XXL Air Fryer. Aesthetically speaking, functionality speaking, it all seems to be overwhelmingly positive so far. The manual functions are fun to dial in. The smart presets seems to be quite fun as well. We can't explore a lot of things here in today's video, but we are going to be testing out in more detailed experiences for the next 30 days to see how this air fryer actually performs, from the smart presets all the way to manual controls, the app, and so on and so forth. There's also a keep warm function, among other things that we haven't tested quite yet. And if you do want to find out about that, do subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified when that video is out. Now, beyond this, do let me know down in the comment section below, is there anything that you want to find out about this air fryer? I will be getting accessories, I will be getting more peripheral attachments to see how this actually performs in its entirety, and I'll give you the review quite soon down the road. So until then, do check out all of the other videos that we have produced, any other new kitchen equipment pieces that we've already done, and if there is a piece of kitchen equipment that you'd like me to unbox and do a review, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to check it out. Bye!